Hi folks, today's topic is all about Accenture 5000 benefit points best options. During my resignation in Accenture, I promised you that I'll be definitely making videos of Accenture, like even I'll be in any other company. So now this video is completely for Accenture employees, guys. First of all, thanks a lot for supporting my Accenture videos. Still, I'm working in CTS, and I'm glad that I'm still replying on Accenture comments. Even 2 weeks ago, 1 month ago, also Accenture employees are asking me queries, and I'm replying them in the comment section. So most of the people are replied like they are ignoring this medical benefit points given by Accenture. So please don't ignore this mail, guys. Actually, if you are new to Accenture or if you are an existing employee but you forgot to claim this 5000 benefit points, then this video is for you. I'll be explaining in this video completely, and some of the new Accenture employees are also asking like how can they buy products from this 5k, and I'm not able to log in through Accenture external mail, like OTP verification issues, and also how to get access. So all these questions I'll be covering in this video, guys. So don't skip this video and watch till the end. So before getting into the actual process, a small request from my side, guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please kindly subscribe and follow me on Instagram and ask your queries, and subscribe to Telegram channel as well. Now let's get into the process. So every year Accenture give its employees 5000 health benefit points, guys. You can utilize this 5000 points for purchasing medicines or lab test, or else consulting a doctor and dental care. So many options are there. I'll be explaining clearly in this video what are all options you can avail. In my previous video, I have explained about few of the apps where you can buy products, but most of the employees are replying that those options got limited. So in this video, I'll be explaining about one of the best apps where you can buy health products, medicines, and lab tests, and also any doctor consultations. Okay, the app name is MediBuddy, guys. So before that, there is one small thing that you need to remember. We are having a deadline to claim this 5000 benefit points, guys. So for this year, this is August. Okay, by August 2026, like we are nearing to the month end. So before August 31st, try to claim this 5000 benefit points. If you don't utilize them by this month end, then automatically it will be get collapsed. Okay, it's like you are wasting 5000 points. So with this you can buy many health products, guys. I'll be explaining in this video, at least for your family members, any of your dependents you will be adding, right? For them also you can utilize this 5000 points. Okay, now let's get into the actual process, like step by step how you can claim this. There'll be a website in Accenture like benefits you. So if you are new to that website, definitely in your Outlook mail you will be receiving a benefits you mail, guys. Definitely you will be receiving in a year once, in order to claim your 5000 points. In that they'll be explaining clearly about the steps, like how you can claim them, how you can redeem them, and what is the complete procedure and deadline for those 5000 points. Everything will be mentioned in that. Or else if you're already aware of this benefits you website, you can directly log in into that. Okay, so through this mail, if you are a new employee, then it will be very clear for you. There will be a link. You can open that link and directly redirect to the benefits you website. So next section is about the eligibility. Most of the comments are on this. So if you open the benefits you website, you can see right side a wallet option. So there you need to see like 5000 points should be there for your wallet. So these points you can redeem for the any app, okay, like MediBuddy or any other app. Okay, so in my previous videos, I have explained you the procedure, like how you can, download the Advantage Club from Google Play Store, and how you can proceed with the redeeming this 5000 points into the like any other app like MediBuddy, like that. Okay, but most of the employees, they told like they are facing some issues in the comment section, like external mails Accenture is not allowing, something they have mentioned. So in this video, I am going to cover some other procedure where you can redeem this 5000 points, guys. And this is easier than the mobile one, so please follow the steps. From the Outlook mail, which is a genuine mail that you receive for benefits you will be redirected to this login page. You can enter your Accenture mail ID over here and your password, and you can log in. Once you log in, this is the main dashboard of the benefits you portal, and as I said, right side you can see in your wallet 5000 points will be already given by Accenture. Okay, now if you open this page, the first thing it will ask is to detect your location. You can select it manually or auto detect, you can use it. Okay, now here we will be having 4 categories guys, like family care, financial well-being, fitness and wellness, and outpatient coverage. In my previous videos, I've covered few of the sections. In this video, I'll be covering outpatient coverage. Okay, you can click on this OPD coverage, and in this page, it will be showing lot many options. I'm going with the MediBuddy, the first option. Okay, you can click on buy now over here. Down, you can see one button. You can click on buy now. So I'm going to utilize my complete 5000 points in one app, which is nothing but MediBuddy, guys. So here they are providing us lot many options, guys. So these are the packages. Package 1 consists of 500 wallet money, and package 2 of 1000, package 3 of 2500, package 4 of 3500, package 5 of 5000. So here anyways I'm having 5000 points in my wallet, so completely I'm going to utilize my 5000 points in this MediBuddy app, as it consists of many options which will be useful for me and my family members. So you can go with package 5. Here you can add your 5000 points by clicking on plus icon. Okay, if you click on this plus icon, you will be receiving a button like buy for 5000. After then you can read the terms and conditions. If you scroll down, you can see all those terms and conditions, and you can go ahead. Okay, now I'm clicking on this buy for 5000. So you will be redirected to this page where it will be asking you to enter your gender. Okay, after entering your gender, it will be showing you the order summary, guys. So in this order summary, the MediBuddy points you are going to add is 5000, and from benefits you are adding this 5000 points, and total payable by you means from your pocket you are paying 0 rupees, which means free of cost. Okay, by checking the details like whatever you have added, you can confirm and click on proceed to pay. So once your transaction is successful, you will be receiving this page, and along with that a URL you will be receiving. So you need to click on this URL, click here for redemption. Now this URL is important, guys. You need to click on this URL so that you will be redirecting to the MediBuddy site where you can buy all your products. Okay, here 2 ways we are having. First way is website through, and second way is Google Play Store app through. Which one feels you better, you can go and further process you can complete. Now here in the first website page, you can click on login, and you need to enter your phone number which is registered with your company, and then click on proceed. You will be receiving a OTP to that registered mobile, and you need to enter that OTP over here and click on sign in. So on top right corner, you can see link your corporate account. So here only we are linking our Accenture account to this one, guys. So you need to click on that link your corporate account and enter here your Accenture email ID. Then you can click on submit. After that, it will be asking you for the employee code and your date of birth also it will be asking. After then, please confirm your details completely, whatever you have entered, and you can click on register user. Now this is the main dashboard of the MediBuddy, guys. Here you can see lot many options, and before that, main important is top right corner you can see 5000 Mediclaim benefit points, and also Accenture related details also will be there. And here these are the sections where you can explore and utilize your 5000 points for doctor consultations or buying medicines or lab test packages, and you can book the doctor appointment, any dental coverages. So many categories are there, guys. Okay, now let's explore few of them. And if you are clicking on talk to doctor, here there will be top doctors, guys, and you can have phone call consultation. If you are having any old people at your home where they can't move to hospital, you can use this option for them. And next section is medicine one. So in this medicine there are many categories, guys. Suppose if you go with cold, cough, fever care, so deal of the day, deal of the month, monsoon essentials. As of now, these are the categories, and there are lot many things also. Suppose if I'm clicking on the medicine one, and in the category I'm choosing the cold, cough, fever care. So here these are the products, guys. So many products are there, but this finds me useful, so I've selected this. But you can explore all other products, and whichever useful you can buy them. Like thermometer is as usual every home needs, and nebulizer kit and blood pressure kits, and Gendu Balm. As an IT employee, I definitely need Gendu Balm for every release of my project. So that's the reason. So many things are there you can explore. And next one is deal of the month. So in deal of the month, you can go with weighing scale and some leave-on serum for girls especially. So these are the options are available. So we'll discuss more options too. Now let's see, suppose if I have bought this weighing machine, okay, this is actual cost of this weighing machine is 1174, okay, 1174 rupees. And after discount it is like 118 discount, we are getting to be paid as 1056 guys. Okay, my wallet balance is 5000 rupees and I'm spending 1056 rupees on this. So my after deduction, okay, after purchasing this product also I'll be having the rest of the balance as 3944 rupees. Okay, with this 3944 rupees I can buy other products and I can avail other services too, not only for me but for my dependents also, family dependents you will be adding it, for them also you can use. So here you can see so many options are available guys. And most of the employees have told me like whenever they are purchasing the products, like for this location this product is not available, like consultation is not available. So those issues are also you don't face in this MediBuddy, because so guys, first suppose you are opting for lab test, which means you are trying to utilize your 5000 points for your lab test. Then here 4000 plus types of tests are covered guys in this MediBuddy, like you can utilize for yourself or else your family members also who needs. And here there is no location issues also, because some of the products they tell for this location it's not available like that, right? So there is no problem for this because this is available in 68 cities, 1400 plus pin codes, everywhere it's available. And also if you go for in-person consultation with any of the doctors, okay, like at hospitals or clinics you will be going right for consultation, like anything like full body coverage checkup you want to do. So for that option also, for that consultations also, here you will be having access to top 1 lakh plus doctors guys, like, and also it is tied up with like 25,000 hospitals and clinics in all over India. And you can see there are like 63 plus specialties are also available. And also online pharmacy, which I have already discussed, like you can buy your health medicines or products. I've shown you multiple categories guys, not only the shown categories. If you click on the right arrow you can see lot many options are also available. So whichever you want you can explore and buy those products for you guys, like yoga mat, weighing machine, thermometer, and skincare products, fitness products. So if you are good at doing workouts and all in fitness, you can have your dumbbells or and get your biceps done. So this way all equipments are also available over here. And if you are facing any like dental issues, okay, for suppose if you need some polishing or anything like that, scaling also, you can have the dentist consultation, that option also available here in this MediBuddy. And there is one more section also left here guys, so many options are available. So for vision, if you need any lenses or frames, vision consultations and products also you can avail in this MediBuddy app. Okay, so my last suggestion for Accenture employees is please utilize this 5000 benefit points guys. It is going to expire by this month end, August 2026. So before August 31st itself, please go through the video and please begin your process. Try to redeem 5000 points and choose the best app. Here I have explained about MediBuddy, and claim your 5000 points and utilize them usefully. So after adding your products, you can add your address details and you can click on pay, and you can utilize, as I previously told you, for one product if you're spending some amount, remaining balance you can utilize it for buying other products as well. Okay, this is the nice opportunity guys. Every year Accenture employees will be receiving this. So whenever I I'll try to make videos if I get any new details on this also. So similarly you can follow the procedure which I have explained, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. At least if you don't find this useful, at least for your family members also you can utilize these coverages and medicines. So if you are having any, because my home is having one diabetic patient, so I can utilize for that. So if I'm having this option, so you please utilize it for better purpose. Okay, and I hope this video is useful for you. If you find it useful, please kindly subscribe, like this video, comment down your queries. Thanks for watching. Take care.